welcome back to my channel. Here I'm back with a new video. Okay, a moment. If you're new to this channel, just take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so this video is again a face art look, but it can be an eyeshadow look as well. Like excluding the face art, we can take our eyeshadow as eyeshadow tutorial as well, because it's a very bright eyeshadow and I kind of love this eyeshadow. So yes, let's get started with the video. Let's see how I created this look.
Hey you guys, so let's start by applying the Maybelline primer for oily skin. Okay, so now coming for a foundation, I'm gonna use the Fit Me foundation, the shade 320. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm gonna go with the Age Rewinder concealer in the shade caramel. And if you are a dusky skin girl, so this concealer is just perfect for your skin as it is for mine though. So for my loose powder, I'm gonna use the Maybelline loose powder in the shade 25 Moel. Okay, so now coming for the eyeliner, I'm gonna go with the NYX white eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same concealer to draw a perfect winged line to just dab my eyeshadow over it to give it a perfect eyeliner effect. Yes, here we have our eyes done. Now coming for the Daisies part, I'm gonna go with a yellow face paint to draw its dot and white face paint for its petals. Okay, if you're wondering why I am dancing, so I had my music playing in my background, so I was dancing on that sound, so please don't find me weird. Okay, so here we have our daisies ready. So now coming for the lipstick part, I'm gonna go with the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the shade Lip 12.
Look like a daisy on my face. Like, yes, daisies are pretty and I love them. So if anyone's planning to give me flowers, daisy and sunflower is the one. Okay, so yes, this is the look. I literally love this. I didn't even thought it would turn out so pretty. So yes. And yes, for the eyeshadow, I was telling this, like, you can go with white and yellow eyeshadow, or you can go with a yellow bold eyeshadow if you want, like, what's going on your outfit. So yes, exclude the daisies. This is the one you can go for. So yes, if you love this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. Bye!